Again, ano? Hatching sa elephant? Aper. Aper. And on the farm there was a dog. Wow. And on the farm there was a chicken. And on the farm there was a cow. Very good. And on the
Drinks mo,
farm...
ma'am?
Oo, ng mango. And on the farm there was a wolf. Malikid siya pa. And on the farm there was a cat. Cat. And on the farm there was a cow. Aber.
Very good ang langga ba?
Ikaw mo. I see you. Yes. Maano si Mimi? Ako Chara.
Chara.
Ano ko Chara oh? Ano ko Chara oh? How old are you? How old are you, Gani? How old are you? I'm 1 year old. Ouch. Yes. Mait si Mimi yaw? Mait si Mimi? Sure? Kaalon. Mait si Mimi? Sure? And on the farm there was a chicken. Chicken? And on the farm there was a duck. Ano gani isang duck? Ano gani isang duck? Ano isang duck? Ano isang duck? Ano gani isang duck?
Quack, quack.
Quack. Mait si Mimi? Mait si Mimi?
Abaw. Abaw, mait si Mimi.
Oo. Isa ka tuig. Abilidadan diyan.
Give kay daddy. Please.
Mait kita na si Mimi.
Mait si Mimi ah.